My name's Lyndon. I'm the Strategic Business Development Manager for KJR. KJR is a strategic advisory consultancy firm. We've been in existence since 1997. In those 25 years, we've built up a strong corporate social responsibility charter, the values and policies that we put in place to make the world a better world. From our perspective, it's very much one of inclusion, collaboration and teamwork. In terms of the Indigenous communities, from our perspective, it's been a matter of how do we use technology to assist the Indigenous communities, and how do we get them more involved in technology to assist them. We've got 3 programs in place at the moment. The first one is what we call the Digital Data Fund, run out of Northern Australia. We're actually working with local communities in the business area and students to look at real-world issues affecting those communities in the north and how we can employ data and technology to assist them. And of course, the main reason we're here today is to talk about the Indigenous Traineeship. That's all about how can we assist the grade 11s and 12s on the Gold Coast of Indigenous background to basically scope out avenues for them to work in the tech industry, to get a feel for it, and obviously pathways moving forward. How can we develop a program in this technology boom we're currently facing to include the Indigenous communities, both in looking for opportunities for the students, the younger people to develop careers and pathways in technology, and obviously from another perspective is utilising technology to better these communities. We're certainly looking at expanding it, including more students on the Gold Coast, and really developing that into a strong program. We'll assist these students in clarifying, is tech the right industry for them? So really giving them a front foot to get out there and look at their pathways, for them to take control of their careers, of their opportunities in the market. So they're going to get a real feel for where technology is heading in our society, and for them to be a part of it if they so choose. So there's a real sense of excitement here for them, and it's a real world experience.
I'm Tim Moloney. I'm a junior consultant here at KJR, and I'm also the project lead for the Indigenous Traineeship. The 2 students we have at the moment are from Varsity Learning College. They're Year 11 students, and they're partaking in a program where they can have some time off school in order to do some work integrated learning. I think it's really important for the students that they are able to get some hands-on experience and see what happens in an IT company and what that really looks like. I think it will generate some interest for them in deciding what they want to do after school. They'll be participating in things like daily scrums and stand-ups, and just getting a really good idea of that professional experience and what it's like to work in a really great, fast-paced sort of environment like we have here at KJR. Because they'll be able to walk away from this traineeship with the Cert 3 in business completed as well, which will then further be able to help them as they move along with job hunting. Success for us would have all of our students completing the Cert 3. Currently we have 2 students at the moment, but we do have scope for more. So if you're a student on the Gold Coast and you're interested, please reach out to your career advisor at your school and get in touch with us.